Pakistan's Supreme Court has upheld the death sentence of Zahir Jaffer for the 2021 murder of Noor Muqaddam, while using its detailed judgment to issue a broader warning about violence against women. The court said Pakistan has a constitutional duty as an Islamic republic to protect women's dignity, safety, and rights. It described any violation of those rights as a betrayal of both religious principles and national values. The 12-page judgment explains why the court rejected Jaffer's final review petition in June. Noor Muqaddam was 27 when she was murdered at Jaffer's home in Islamabad in July 2021. Her killing caused widespread outrage across Pakistan and became one of the country's most prominent cases of gender-based violence. A trial court convicted Jaffer of murder and sentenced him to death in February 2022. He was also convicted of rape and given 25 years in prison. The Islamabad High Court upheld the death sentence in March 2025. Pakistan's Supreme Court then rejected his appeal in May of that year, before dismissing his review petition in June. In its detailed ruling, the court said a review petition cannot be used as a second appeal. It explained that a review is only available when there is an obvious error in the judgment, a serious miscarriage of justice, or an abuse of the court process. It cannot be used to present the same arguments again, reassess witness statements, or reopen facts already decided by the courts. Jaffer's lawyers had also raised questions about his mental health. They relied on a letter from a London psychiatrist who examined him in 2015 and diagnosed a drug-induced psychotic episode. But this same letter said Jaffer underwent therapy and made a full recovery within 6 months. The Supreme Court said the mental illness argument had already been examined and rejected by the trial court, the Islamabad High Court, and the Supreme Court itself. The judgment then placed Noor's murder within the wider pattern of femicide. The court said the killing of a woman is often the final stage in an escalating pattern of coercive control, stalking, abuse, and psychological intimidation. Citing data from UN Women and the UN Office on Drugs and Crime, it said about 50,000 women and girls were killed worldwide by intimate partners or family members in 2024. The court said these figures challenge the assumption that women are safest at home. Instead, they show that women often face the greatest danger from people closest to them. The ruling therefore goes beyond Jaffer's failed review petition. It affirms his conviction and death sentence while recognizing femicide as the lethal outcome of a wider system of gender-based violence that societies and institutions must confront before it escalates to murder.